Welcome to episode 32 of Speak Japanese in 5 minutes. So, Kei-sensei, after relaxing my muscles in the hot spring last time, I felt like a brand new man. I wanted to explore the city, but walking was too slow and the bus was too fast. I noticed that absolutely everyone in Japan, from business people in suits to grandmas carrying groceries, is riding these sleek little bicycles. I felt inspired. What do you call a bicycle in Japanese?
Welcome back, everyone. Oh, yes. Japan has a massive bicycle culture, Leo. We love them. In Japanese, bicycle is jitensha. It's one of the most useful words you can know if you want to get off the beaten tourist paths.
That sounds so energetic. I saw a rental shop right near the station and I knew I had to get one. But before we go inside the shop, let's make sure our listeners have this core word locked down.
Wonderful. Let's practice together. Repeat after me. Jitensha.
Okay, so I walk into the rental shop, I see a row of amazing jitensha, and I walk up to the counter. I want to say, can I rent a bicycle? Or I want to rent. What is the verb for renting or borrowing something?
The magic verb you need is kariru, which means to rent or to borrow. If you want to ask the staff politely, you can combine everything and say, 自転車を借りることはできますか? Or, if you want to keep it simpler for a beginner, you can just say 借りたいです, which means I want to rent.
Oh, that tie ending. I remember that from when we talked about wanting to eat things. So that phrase is just, I want to rent.
Exactly, Leo. Your grammar memory is fantastic. You can just point and say 借りたいです. Let's practice both the verb and the request phrase. First, the verb 借りる. And now the simple request 借りたいです.
Perfect. That works like a charm. Now, the staff member smiled and pointed at two types of bikes. One was a standard bicycle, but the other had a giant battery pack on it, an electric assist bike. He called it something that sounded like Dendou. What was that?
Ah, yes. Electric bicycles are incredibly popular here because of the hills. We call them Dendou jitensha. They make pedaling feel completely effortless.
Oh man, with my lazy legs, I definitely need the electric one. How would I use our favorite phrase, doko desu ka, to ask, where is the electric bicycle, just in case they're hidden in the back?
Haha, good choice. You would say, 電動自転車はどこですか? Let's practice. First, the name of the bike. 電動自転車. Now the full question. 電動自転車はどこですか?
Got it. So I got my electric bike and I was flying through the streets, but then I wanted to stop at a temple and I realized I couldn't just leave my bike on the sidewalk. There were signs everywhere with a bicycle crossed out. Where are we legally allowed to park?
Oh, that's very important, Leo. Japan is very strict about illegal parking. You must look for a designated bicycle parking lot. We call it a chiyurinzyu. If you park illegally, your bike might get towed away.
Yikes, that's a mouthful. Good thing I asked. Let's make sure everyone practices that word so they don't get their rental towed.
Exactly. Let's say it together. 駐輪場. You're a safe and certified cyclist now, Leo. Before we finish our tea here at Cafe Jupiter, let's do a quick review of your cycling vocabulary. Ready?
Ready.
Okay. How do you say bicycle? 自転車. What about the verb to rent? 借りる. And the very popular electric bicycle? 電動自転車. Finally, the very important bicycle parking. 駐輪場.
I found a perfect parking spot, parked my electric bike, and had the best day exploring. Renting a bike is a game changer. Thanks, Kei-sensei. Next time on episode 33, we're diving into the neon-lit world of Japanese arcade culture. We're heading to a legendary game center. We'll learn how to ask for coin change, talk about video games, and try to win a prize at the crane machines without wasting all our yen.
またね